Hi friend, this is Banking Khabar Nepal, and like other days or other videos, we are present with a new topic which are important for the exam of Nepal Rashtra Bank as well as other exams of bank and financial institution, and the topic for today is credit rating. Now let us discuss about what is credit rating. Credit rating is the opinion of credit rating agency, that is CRA, expressed in alphabetical or alphanumeric symbols regarding the relative capability of corporate entity to service its debt obligation in time with reference to the instrument being rated. Similarly, it is a symbolic indicator of the opinion on the future ability and legal obligation of the issuer of a debt instrument to repay the debt as per the terms of issue. As credit rating agencies assign rating in the symbols and publish explanation for their symbols use as well as the rationale for the rating assigned by them, it helps the investor to facilitate deeper understanding of the debt instruments on the basis of their underlying credit quality. That is, on the basis of rating given by the credit rating agencies, the investor can make their decision about either they have to make the investment, either it is beneficial for them to make investment or not. Now let us discuss about the benefits of credit rating. Why credit rating? Because it gives an idea to the investor to establish a link between risk and return for investment decision. The next is provides wider choice of investments. Similarly, it helps bank in credit appraisal and decision-making process. It helps the newly established firm and other issuer to raise funds easily. Similarly, it assists to reduce the time involved in obtaining loan approval from banks. It helps the newly established firm to get recognized and build up the company image. Similarly, it helps to reduce the cost of borrowing for highly rated firms. It helps to reduce the cost of public issues, assists the firm for getting idea for self-correction and improvement, helps the merchant bankers for pricing, placement and marketing of the issues, and it helps regulators to protect the investors, maintain fair and transparent financial system and market discipline. Now, why credit rating for bank and financial institution? We know that the bank have to make the loans to the customer and they cannot make the investment or they cannot provide the credit haphazardly without obtaining the information about the customers, and in order for the bank to be able to make loans to different individuals, they must have information about the credibility of these individuals. And the information they require is firstly regarding the intent of the borrower to pay back the loan, and secondly regarding the ability of the borrower to pay back that loan. The ability can be gauged partially from the income of the borrower. Similarly, in order to completely understand the borrower's ability to pay back the loan, bank need to know if the borrower currently has any other loan outstanding. That is, if the same customer has been availing the loan or credit facility from other bank and financial institution, and if the same income source is able to make the payment of that outstanding loans or not. Also, the borrower's previous repayment records provide considerable information regarding his or her intent to pay back the loans. Therefore, in the absence of any organized way to collect the information about prospective borrowers, the bank would have no way to make the loans to anyone apart from a handful of people whose records they already have. It means without obtaining the collective information regarding the customer which they are intending to provide the credit, they cannot make the authentic information, they cannot make the authentic and reliable basis for making the investment. So there should be one source from which they can obtain the information. So there is a need for an agency that aggregates the information from all the various banks and financial institutions and provide it back to the banks. That is, the credit rating agency can provide the information regarding these information to the bank and financial institution, which make them easier. So this was the topic regarding credit rating. It was the basic class regarding the credit rating. So for the further other videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel Banking Khabar Nepal, and thank you.